the topic? If you are ready, let's begin. Today we're gonna discuss another interesting topic, that is debate. I know you people are very much interested in this topic because it shows the capability of arguing nature. Okay, if you have a good language, then only you will be able to convey this. Am I right? Yes. So now listen. Points to remember while writing a debate. We are going to discuss the points to remember while writing a debate. Okay, listen. These are the points. Debate should always have an impressive introduction to grab the audience. Okay, every time you must give an attractive introduction to grab the attention of the audience. Okay, next. Prepare the debate properly by considering both positives and negative aspects of the topic. Okay, means every time while preparing a debate, you must keep this in your mind. Okay, you must give the positives and negatives of the negative aspects of the topic. Okay. Now the third point is write either for the motion or against the motion. You people know that while conducting debate, one group will be for the motion and the other group will be for against the motion, right? Same like means likewise you must write the speech in your answer sheet. Okay, how it is? You can just choose. Okay, either for the motion or against the motion. So based on the topic, if you want to give in favor of the points, you can just write for the motion. If you want to go against the topic, you can write against the motion. Any one, okay, not together. Clear? Now, we'll discuss the format of the debate, okay, format. In the middle, you must write, okay, when you begin your debate, in the middle, you can give for the motion. If you are writing in favor of the topic, you can give the title for the motion. If you are going for against the motion, you can write against the motion. Any one, okay, not together, that's why I put a slash here, okay. So, if you are going in favor of, you must give the title for the motion. If you are going against, then give the title against the motion. Clear? Okay, now listen. Next, you begin with introductory para. Okay, same. How we just did in speech, same like here also. You must just greet the audience. Okay, worthy principal or worthy dignitaries, my fellow friends, teachers, so and so. Okay, who are they? You just greet everyone. After that, you mention the topic. Okay, here I am going to give a debate in favor of or for the motion of the topic, then mention the topic. Okay, or I am going to present a debate against the motion of, then mention the topic. Clear? So that is known as introductory para. Clear? And next comes points. Points means you know that if you are going in favor of, you must give the points in favor of. Understood? And if you are going against the topic, you can give those points. Understood? At the same time, last, when you conclude, you must keep the positives and negative aspects of the topic in your mind. Okay, means we cannot conclude a topic only by giving positives or negatives. We must keep in our mind both the aspects of the topic. Okay, so while concluding, okay, the points are like this, then also each and every topic or each and every issue has negatives and positives. So we must just know that, and accordingly we must act on it, or something you can just give, means that both the way you agree, in that way only you must conclude your speech. Got it? Okay, now let's discuss an example. Are you ready? Here is the sample debate. Listen to the question. The policy of reservation of seats for admission to the professional courses is good for the deprived sections of society. Write a debate in 150 to 200 words, either for or against the motion. Here is the answer for the debate. First we will go with for the motion. I'll just give you both, okay, how to write for the motion and how to write against the motion for this question, okay. Then you will come to know how to write it. First we will go with for the motion. So the title is for the motion. Worthy chairperson, secretary and dear students. Today, I am Samir, stand before you to speak for the motion, the policy of reservation of seats for the admission to the professional courses is good for the deprived sections of society. This is the intro para. We all are aware that Indian society still remains a caste-based hierarchical system. The lower caste people have remained exploited by the high caste ones and had suffered the demerits of socio-economic underdevelopment. The aim of reservations in admission to the professional courses is to bring them at par with other sections of society. Though it brings them at par with, though it appears as a violation of the principle of equality, yet its justification is sustained by the obligation of the social welfare state. Article 46 of the Indian Constitution provides that the state shall promote with special care the education and economic interests of the weaker sections of the people. Further, the first Constitutional Amendment Act of 1951 has added Clause 4 to Article 15, which provides that nothing shall prevent the state from making any special provision for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward class of citizens. The Constitution was designed to help the deprived sections of society, and thus the policy of reservation is justified. Still, we have a lot of drawbacks for this. Then also, both the students, both the category of the students must be educated. Okay, so reservation is very good. Thank you. This is the way to write for the motion of the debate. Now, next sample, how to write against the motion. Here is the sample. Listen. So you must give the title against the motion. And here also the same introduction. Worthy chairperson, secretary and dear students, today I am Samir, stand before you to speak against the motion, the policy of reservation of seats for admission to the professional courses is good for the deprived sections of society. Okay, here begins the debate. The policy of reservation stated in Indian Constitution was designed as an ad hoc policy for 10 years, but it is continuing to get extensions after the end of every 10 years. These extensions are creating frustrations among the other people as they are deprived of opportunities to take admission in professional courses due to the reservation policy. In addition, the policy of reservation is contrary to the principle of equality. Equality presupposes equal treatment to all and equal protection of all people, but special privileges and extra protection to certain classes of people is against the policy of equality. It violates the very spirit of democracy. Further, the reservation policy has actually created a new class of vested interests in Indian society. These people have earned permanently the benefit of the reservation policy. Thus, the policy has created the psychology of dependency among them. Thus, this policy is actually harming the derived section in the long run. At the same time, both the category, even the poor as well as the rich or the high caste or low caste, everybody must be educated. So, the reservation is good, at the same time, at an extent, it just creates problem, okay? But the authority must interfere and they must do the favorable things for students to get proper education. Thank you. So my dear children, this is the way to write a debate. If you are going in favor of, you must give the title for the motion. If you are going against, write the title against the motion, okay? And write accordingly. Clear? Hope you all have understood the topic, debate. I'll meet you soon with another topic. Thank you for being with me.